just a reminder that the low to upper 350s remain our overhead resistance really through the rest of the year, because only if we were to close above 357.49 at the end of a week would I then anticipate longer-term bullish continuation to the 519.81 5-year channel top. That could be within 3 to 5 months, could take longer, but that would be the objective if we were to close above 357.49. Until then, we've tested this area quite a bit over the last few months, and while I don't expect long-term support at 250.33, that should be considered attainable perhaps. That is our base through the rest of the year, 250.33, and our ceiling through the rest of the year is 357.49. And so we would have longer-term directional continuation if we were to close above 357.49, and longer-term bearish continuation if in the coming weeks we were to close below 250.33. Then I would expect the 163.13 to 169.23, where we could bottom out through all of 26. But I don't expect those extremes unless we close below 250.33 or above 357.49. Until then, we're trying to grab these 2 to 3 week swing trades, but holding below 316.68, still anticipating the 266.41 a channel bottom. And on the way down, we have 283.28, which is another nearer term channel bottom, correlating really well right now with that 284.70 low settlement price that was put out in early June. So holding below 316.68, I see no compelling reason to be long Tesla if your time horizon is 3 to 5 weeks or less, because over the next week or two, 283.28, and over the next 2 to 3 weeks, 266.41. On the way down today, we have the trend line holding actually pretty well so far this week at 305.89. I think it really realistically is a settlement today below 305.89, sets up 283.28 as a 3 to 5 day or sooner objective. If you're looking for a 3 to 5 day swing trade, closing today below 305.89 is the short trade to the downside. Upside, a 3 to 5 day swing trade presents with a settlement today above 316.68, and then I would expect 322.82 within about 3 to 5 days. So 316.68 is still a solid pivot point as we move through the week and into later August, below which that 266.41 formation likely over the next 3 to 5 weeks. 266.41 can be considered the beginning of a wide zone down to 246.51 for those of you who trade 3 to 5 week and further time horizons as an area to scale into a long position, anticipating then possible upward rotation over the following 1 to 2 months, 3 months at the most, back into the 320s or so. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily Triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.